What's going on, everybody? Today we're replacing the clutch cable in my 2015 Yamaha FJ09. When Yamaha came out with this bike in 2015, the clutch cable at the lever end had a little bit of a sharp bend. So this is version 2 of the same cable that they released a while ago. We're going to put it in my bike to update it, prevent the bike from leaving me stranded. Now, we're going to try and do this the easiest way possible. So that means not taking off the tank and the plastics. We're just going to try and pull it through. So I'm going to give you all the details on how to get that done. So let's dive right into it. Let's get both ends disconnected. The lever end here, we're just going to wind in this adjustment all the way to create as much slack as possible at the lever here. If you line up this groove with the slot in the handle, you can take the cable out. Just like so. Oh, that's something dirty. There we go, cable out. At the engine end here, you just need a 12mm to get these nuts off the bracket here. You can also unhook this here to give you a little bit less fight on it. And the only little bit of a tricky part is there's this little piece of sheet metal right here that holds a little tab so that the cable end doesn't pop out. We're going to gently bend it out the way so it retains some of its spring. There we go. Pop the cable out. There we go, liberated. To prepare the new cable to be attached to the old cable, I'm going to spin off the 12mm nuts here and put them on once the cable's been pulled all the way through. So I'm just going to zip tie the cable together with the cable thin end both overlapping here. Zip tied as best you can. Full zip ties. Either way, that should be good. I'll trim it, throw it to the bike. It's starting to come out here. It's making some motion. It's actually not that pinched up on the radiator or anything crazy. So you can kind of feed it into the neck of the bike at the top here. That's the new and the old cable connected right there, going into the frame above the radiator. You can also see the cable right here, and then it goes up under here and across to the other side of the bike. This side of the bike is where I'm working it primarily, right here. Up where the cable comes through, and then just kind of like working it over the valve cover here is probably like the biggest sticking point on the engine for this cable. Come on. Oh, there we go. Money. Money. With the new cable pulled through, we can clip off the zip ties. Caught that one in the mouth. There we go. Through the groove. We're going to leave that in, get the other side. It's super easy. If you just undo the two 12s, everything's easier. You'll have a better day. Boom. Don't forget that little sheet metal tab. Lock that down. Snug the nuts. For a finishing touch, you just dial this in to get your free play right on your lever. When measured on the angle, you're supposed to have 10 to 15 millimeters of play. That's about 10 right there. It's good enough. You'll know what will feel right. You don't want a floppy lever and you don't want a lever with no play. Otherwise, you're not giving the clutch any release. If you can't get the free play in range with this adjustment here, you'll have to adjust the two nuts down at the engine side to move the cable end a little bit out or a little bit in to create this to be in the right spot. This fresh cable feels slick, real smooth, and gives me the confidence that I'm not going to be stranded. That's a wrap on the clutch cable install in my 2015 FJ09. Just goes to show, you don't have to take off the plastics to make the job possible. If you're looking to take care of your FJ, MT, XSR, Yamaha bike, I got a clutch kit that solves a really common problem for this bike, which is the rattle that you get in the transmission. If you're interested in solving that problem, check out this thumbnail with it linked down in the description. I've got a kit that solves that problem so you can experience the bike the way Yamaha intended, without the clunk. Thanks so much for watching. Please smash the like and subscribe button down below. And as always, have a good day.